You should be recording this shit. Here, it's recording.
No, I don't want to hold it.
Oh, just in case you get struck.
No.
What did we just miss? A good one?
Massive wind.
This isn't funny. Oh, I just saw that reflection.
No, that was someone taking a photo.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I can see the red light. I wonder what it looks like then if they're taking pictures.
Maybe it's this big green cloud coming over. It's not cold yet, so it's not going to hail. You missed a massive wind gust before though.
Look at those fucking...
Yeah, that's what I mean. Except it's through here as well.
Holy shit.
I love it. Not on me, this sky.
I wonder when we'll get the call.
Oh,
whoa! Yeah, what I was just about to say is, I wonder when we're going to get the call saying, there's a storm coming. That was right.
That was real.
I got you shitting yourself on camera.
This was just like,
You made me scream.
yeah, because I just saw this massive fucking hell.
This is really bad.
Shit.
Are you inside now?
Man, look at the fucking trees, man. It's fucking windy as hell. I don't often shit myself. I need a cigarette after that.
Oh!
The smokes are over there.
You're gonna have to run. I think we should smoke into a vacuum cleaner. No, I think we should smoke into a vacuum cleaner so we don't have to go outside. Let's pause this. I got the thunder though. Oh shit.
This really is bad.
Yuck, and I just picked up the wrong drink bottle. Look at the fucking wind!